Introduction to Concrete Crack Injection for repairing cracked poured walls. To begin, we'll take a look at some typical cracks in concrete walls and how the repair process works. Cracks commonly occur in most all poured foundation walls, both textured and non-textured. These cracks may be defined as structural or non-structural and dry or wet and leaking. For all these conditions, the crack injection repair process is the same, whether you're injecting epoxy or an urethane foam. The injection process is fairly simple, but to make sure a wall is repaired correctly and will last, each step in the injection repair process must be followed and completed. Here's how the injection works. Surface ports are bonded 6 to 10 inches apart along the crack of the wall that is being repaired, and the crack is sealed with surface seal. The product, either epoxy or urethane foam, is then injected through the attached surface ports, starting at the lowest port. As the product is injected into the surface port, it flows through the crack to the outside of the wall, filling the crack. When the product comes in contact with the soil, it is forced up the crack, the path of least resistance, to the next surface port, as seen here. As injection continues, the product will fill any voids behind the crack and finally drip from the open port above the port being injected, indicating sufficient filling to that point. The dispensing gun is removed, that port is capped, and the dispensing gun is moved to the next port up. This process is repeated for the entire length of the crack.